everyone, this is Seema. Welcome back to my channel. I have put on a lot of weight during my pregnancy. So I have been trying and eating a lot of healthy stuffs lately. I have been getting many requests to post those healthy recipes on my channel. So today I have got you another healthy recipe which may help satisfy your sweet cravings. I have experimented many ingredients and finally today morning I was able to get a perfect mug brownie, and honestly it turned out too good and tasty. If you are new to my channel, thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you like and subscribe to my channel and watch all the videos I upload here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all a very simple and easy as well as a healthy recipe which includes only healthy ingredients. Also in the further video, I'll be sharing with you all the alternatives which you can use instead of these ingredients. The preparation time for this recipe is just 1 minute and baking time is also 1 minute. So in short, we'll be ready with this recipe in just 2 minutes. So without wasting any time, let me take you to the ingredients list. 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of oats flour, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 1 tablespoon of oil, a pinch of baking powder, a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So let's begin with the recipe. So let's start by mixing all the dry ingredients in our mug. So I have taken wheat flour here. Instead of that, you can even use maida. I have used 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. You can use 1 tablespoon of maida instead. I am using oats flour here. You can even use almond flour. Then adding in cocoa powder, coconut sugar. You can use jaggery, white sugar or brown sugar. Salt, baking powder and baking soda. Now we'll mix in all these wet ingredients together. So in the same bowl, I'm adding milk, oil, water and giving it a proper stir so that all the wet ingredients are mixed properly. Now coming back to the dry ingredients, please do not forget to sieve this dry ingredients before using them. You can either mix them all and then sieve it, or you can sieve them individually and then mix it. So I have already sieved all the dry ingredients, so I'll just mix this up. Time to add the wet ingredients. Adding in some choco chips. This is completely optional. Do not overmix. So the batter is ready. We'll just keep it in the microwave for 1 minute. So now it depends on your microwave. In my microwave, I can just keep it for 1 minute and this mug brownie will be ready. You can just try in your microwave. Maybe you can keep it for 1 minute 10 seconds more. Just check. The way to test this, whether the brownie is ready or not, is keep it for 1 minute, take it out from the microwave and just swirl it like this. If it is still moving, that means it is not ready. If it is not moving and the top is firm, that means your brownie is ready. So we'll just go and pop it into the microwave and wait for 1 minute. My mug brownie is ready. You can see that it is not wobbling and the top is also firm. So time to dig into this brownie, but before that, let's just decorate it with some ice cream and chocolate sauce. This is purely optional. If you want to have it as it is, you can just have it because it has a taste of chocolate chips in it. Otherwise, you can impress your kids. You can just pour some ice cream on it, melted ice cream as well, or you can pour some chocolate sauce on it. So let's decorate this. Okay. I'll garnish this with some nuts. So time to dig in. Brownie has turned out fudgy, cakey, gooey. I mean, everything is there in this brownie, and yet it is so healthy. So let me take a bite. Super tasty. Nobody will come to know that this is made of wheat flour. You guys do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below how it turned out. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.